Hello everyone and welcome back to Vikas YouTube channel. In this video, we'll explore two significant hirings from Google and Accenture. Google is hiring for the role network engineer. For this position, a bachelor's degree in network engineering, computer science, computer engineering, and one should also have good experience in coding in Python or Go language. The preferred qualifications for this role is you must have good experience in cloud networking and also in customer facing role at ISP, content network or content algorithm. You also need to have a solid grasp of data structures and algorithm. And the second hiring is from Accenture. Accenture is hiring for the role application development associate. The experience required for this role is 0 to 11 months. The salary offered is 4.6 LPA. Moving on to the eligibility criteria of Accenture, candidates from any streams of BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA and MSc from 2019 to 2023 year pass outs with full-time education only, and also no active backlogs during application or onboarding process. Candidates should not have appeared for Accenture recruitment assessment or interview process in the last 3 months. Candidates should not have more than 11 months of experience. That's all for this video. If you found this information helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Vikas YouTube channel.